I'll tell you about if Kajabi is worth it or not. Now, if you're interested in doing a free trial for Kajabi, I'm going to put up a link on the screen right now. You can click on that link to get a free trial with Kajabi. You can get about 30 days for free. And of course, all you have to do is to click on that link. Now, I'm going to be telling you if it's worth it or not. First off, I'm going to go through the products. Now, you can see if I go through the products here, there is a lot of products you can do. First off, you can do online courses. You can build and launch any one of these, right? You can build and launch online courses. You can build and launch coaching. You can build and launch podcasts, memberships, communities, newsletters, and digital downloads. So it's gonna help you sell things, right? So if you have online courses, if you have coaching, Kajabi will help you sell that. You can also scale. You can make your own branded mobile app. You can do landing pages, email marketing, funnels, automation, no-code web builder, AI tools, and of course you can earn and measure as well. They'll help you with the payments, they'll help you with the analytics, and you can also contact CRM for further inquiries, right? So it's a lot of products into one. So if you want to sell anything, whether it's online coaching, if it's online courses, Kajabi will help you do that. But now let's get into the pricing and what makes it worth it or not. Let's go to the pricing here. Now, on the pricing, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's pretty steep, right? $159 per month is very expensive. Even the most cheapest one is still pretty cheap. The cheapest one is still pretty steep for me, right? $71 per month, and it's billed annually, right? So it'll be around $700 plus if you want to buy it annually. So that's a lot of money, a lot of money, especially if you're going for Pro or the Growth one. The Pro one is very expensive, right? It's around $300 per month. So is it worth it or not? Maybe. It depends on what you need. If you're someone who's very sure about online courses or your product, then by all means, you can go for a Kajabi. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.